Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Gusto payroll invoice. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and download your Gusto invoice to use for tax purposes, or simply you just want to go ahead and have a receipt. How do you actually go ahead and download your invoice? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Gusto. Next, click on the profile icon right over here on the bottom left-hand corner. Next, click on Plan Billing. And then from here, you're going to see this button here that says See All Invoices. Click on this. Now, once you've done so, you can see the invoices that I've been charged, the invoice period, the invoice date. All you've got to do is click on View Invoice and you'll be able to download it. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and download your Gusto invoice. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.